Hi, this is AK and welcome to Mr. Being Smart. Today we are going to see how to fix a mobile screen which came off from the frame. I think many of us are facing this problem these days. Let's see how to fix it. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So the things we need are earbud, and this is the glue which we are going to use. It's called E8000 and I got this from Amazon. It's around like $2. So this is the glue, and we need a screen cleaner and some rubber bands. Okay, so this is the phone which we are going to fix. Let me take it out of the case. So you can see the screen is coming off the phone's frame. Be careful, there is a ribbon cable which is connecting your display to the phone, so make sure that you will not damage it. It came off from all sides, so let's do it. First, clean all the edges thoroughly. After we clean all the edges, it's time to apply the glue. So we will start applying the glue. Apply the glue only on the edges. Make sure you not apply the glue on the camera. I've applied on one side. Let me apply on the other side as well. After applying the glue, make sure that the camera glass is cleaned and see that there is no glue near the camera, and it's time to place the screen and press it gently. You need a cloth to wipe off the extra glue which comes out, so you just take a piece of cloth and remove all the extra glue. Don't use any tissues or paper to clean the glue. It may stick to your phone very badly. So use a cloth and you can just remove all the extra glue. And after that, to be safe, we'll use some rubber bands. So we'll take like a 4 to 5 rubber bands and put them on the mobile like this. Rubber bands will do is they'll hold the screen to the frame, and it lets the glue stick perfectly, and there'll be no problem later. Okay, so I'm using few more rubber bands and this is the final one. So just close the glue. This glue is like see-through glue. It's like a transparent glue which is really good to glue your mobile screens. This is called E8000 and you can get it from Amazon, Flipkart, anywhere. So this is how you fix your mobile screen which came off at your home. yourself. So couple of hours later, just remove the rubber bands and see if the screen got fixed perfectly or not. So this looks pretty cool. It's not coming off. See, the screen is working perfectly fine. So use a screen cleaner. Perfectly working. This is how you fix your mobile screen rather than going into a store and being charged a lot. You can just buy this E8000 glue and do it yourself. But be careful while doing. Make sure that you will not damage the ribbon cable of the display which connects your phone. So there you go, and that's a bingo. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please let me know your comments, and if you have any other ideas about which you want me to make videos, please comments below. And that's bingo. See you guys.